Hi, I'm Matt with Ballast Tools Equipment. Today we're going to review the maintenance topics for our 312 high row excavator. This is the lockout tagout for the high row excavator. You take the key out, put the hasp over, put your lock in, lock it out for service. This is the fuel water separator. This is your air filter up here. You can burp it to get the dust out of it. It's a canister style. You can take the canister out, clean it out, put it back in. These are your batteries down here, and your antifreeze fill is here. Washer fluid right back here. This is the location of the engine oil filter. You also have two hydraulic filters here and here, and the oil sight glass is in here. This is the location of the engine oil dipstick. This is the location for the diesel fill tank. This is the location for the hydraulic oil fill. There are several grease points on the excavator, as well as on the high rail gear and the attachments. Refer to your Caterpillar manual and the Ballast Tools Equipment manuals for all the grease point locations. Thanks for watching, and for more information, please check out our website. And as always, be safe out there.